Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we will be discussing about how to add custom add-ons path in Odoo. So we are adding the custom add-ons path to add custom modules in Odoo. So we all know that by default Odoo will be showing only the default add-ons inside the Odoo. So there might be some case where we have to add external add-ons like third-party add-ons from the Odoo App Store or the add-ons that we have developed. So in that such cases we have to set the custom add-ons path in Odoo. So let's see how we can do that. So currently in the screen you are seeing Odoo14 community edition, which I have installed in my local instance, which is configured with the PyCharm. So I'll be seeing how to add custom add-ons path here. So currently I'm seeing only the default add-ons, and if I go to my PyCharm, here I can see this is the Odoo14 source code, and here I can see I have added a folder called custom. So currently you can see I have created a folder called custom. So in your case you can simply create a folder and give a name like custom or custom add-ons. So once you've done that, you can place all the custom add-ons inside this folder. So here you can see I have downloaded my Odoo13 codes, which I am taking to convert into Odoo14, and I have placed inside this folder, that is custom. So right now if I copy this name and if I search it inside my add-ons path, so I'll be searching it here, paste, and if I search here you can see no module name, no module found, because I haven't set this folder as my custom add-ons path. So to see these modules inside my apps menu, I have to set this folder, that is custom, as a custom add-ons path. So I'll be copying this path and I'll be putting inside. We have to set it inside the configuration file. So my Odoo configuration file is here, that is odoo.conf. So in your case, if you are running locally, you might be aware where your configuration file is, and if in the case of server, most probably the configuration file will be inside etc. So if you go to cd/etc and if you enter ls, you can see some files called odoo.conf, or it might be odoo server.conf. So if you have any difficulty into finding your configuration file, you can just drop a comment and we can help you to find your configuration file. So once you find your Odoo configuration file, inside that you have a key called add-ons path. So here you can see by default it's only Odoo add-ons, so I have to add this one also, that is custom also. So I'll be copying this and I'll be putting the custom here, that is inside the 14 the path is custom, which is the folder that we have created. So you have to simply create a folder, put all the add-ons inside the folder and copy the corresponding path and add it to add-ons path. So to the add-ons path key as a comma separated thing. So I have added this. Now I have to restart the service. So once you added the add-ons path, make sure that the service is restarted. So service is restarted. Now I will go here. So you can see right now when I have searched for accounting PDF reports, it was not visible. So once you add new add-ons path, don't forget to click on update app list. So whenever you add new add-ons, you have to click on update app list. So I'll be searching the same once again. So I'll be coming here, I'll be going into custom add-ons path, I'll be copying this name and I'll be searching here again, paste, and if I search for the module, you can see Odoo13 accounting PDF reports is listed here. So this is how you can add a custom add-ons path in Odoo. Simply what you have to do is that you have to create a new folder, place all your custom modules inside this, copy the path to that folder and put it inside add-ons path as a comma separated. So that's all about this video. If you have any queries, please don't hesitate to comment it out or reach us over the email, that is odoomates@gmail.com. So that's all about. So that's it. Have a nice day. Thank you.